Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a couple of amazing apps for your Firestick, which are meant for adults only, with spicy content, if you know what I mean. The whole process is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader, and you can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just go to search on your device, and in the search bar, start typing Downloader. And now, as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But then, after you get downloader, it's not actually over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to set up downloader, we have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down, go to My Fire TV, and from here you have to enable developer options on your Firestick device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, oopsie, made a mistake. Accidentally pressed on my home button. Instead of that you have to click on back, and now you'll finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install non apps. From here locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. You open it, and there you'll find the loader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN, and in my case I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server, and let's say I will connect to Norway right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, we gotta use Downloader safely. So we go and open the Downloader application. Wait until it actually loads for you, and here on the left side menu make sure to click on home and not on browser. That's super important. And then here in the search bar we'll have to enter the codes. So the first code is going to be 863078. So once again it's 863078. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake then the code is not going to work. After that you have to click on go, and while it's loading make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now in a couple of moments the download is going to start. As you can see, it has finally started for me, and usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using of course. And then, after it was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll be able to actually delete the installation files, as you don't need them anymore on your device. So you should click on delete and then delete once again. This way we have saved yourself some free space on your Firestick. And that's really important, because there is not so much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, open it, and there you'll find the app that we just downloaded. I will not open the app because obviously I'm not allowed to show you what's inside on YouTube, but still inside you'll find millions of movies of spicy types. Just never forget to use your VPN and keep it connected while using such applications to stay safe and private online. And now let's go back to the loader, and I'll show you one more code for a similar application, but it has a lot of quite unique content which is not available elsewhere. So now the second code for today is going to be 337943. So once again, 337943. Click on go and wait until the download starts for you. And now the download is starting. It's going pretty fast. Click install and wait for the app to finish installing on your Firestick device. Just like previously, we click on done in order to delete the installation files. And then if you go to the list of apps on your device, you'll find the second spicy app that we just downloaded. Here it is, finally appeared for us. So today you learned the best codes for the loader in order to get spicy apps on your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.